What's up, dude?
Alright.
Nothing much. Ooh, look at that. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Did you see that? Good.
I didn't get a hold of one yet.
It's pretty heavy.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Well, it weighs as much as you. Now dug your ass.
I used to live that one. You show them the bear from the cow and everything? You can actually go pick up the bear.
The what?
The bear.
What?
There's a bear over there. You can actually go pick it up.
There you go.
Wait, let's get over. Yeah.
Tyler.